Are you ready to ensure that your field upgrades meet every standard, rule, and requirement? In this video, we'll guide you through the process of conducting a joint upgrade program field audit using eAuditor, a structured inspection tool. Let's dive into how this tool can help streamline your audits for better compliance and quality assurance. To begin, launch eAuditor on your phone or tablet. Navigate to Templates, tap Create Template, and select Blank Template. Build out fields for project name, site location, date, and auditor name. This setup is essential for organizing your audit efficiently. Confirm that the site ID matches records, access is available, and work permits are valid. Verify that equipment is installed correctly, components match specifications, and no visible defects appear. These steps ensure that physical site conditions align with project plans. Ensure PPE is used properly, the work area is secure, and safety procedures are followed. Quality assurance requires that work meets project requirements and testing is completed. Accurate documentation includes installation reports, test results, and necessary approvals. Use eAuditor to add photos documenting site conditions and work quality. Write detailed comments on any issues or recommended improvements. Collect the auditor's digital signature to officially confirm and validate the completed audit. During the field visit, open the template in eAuditor and record findings in real time. Once all sections are reviewed, tap Complete Inspection. Export the report as a PDF and save it as a permanent audit record. By following these steps, you ensure that every field upgrade meets project standards and quality requirements. With eAuditor, you can efficiently document findings, drive corrective actions, and support continuous improvement. Now you're equipped to conduct thorough and effective field audits.